come with me and let's check out the new 2023 Forest River Rockwood Ultra Lite 2720IK that's equipped with an outdoor kitchen and plenty of exterior storage. And stepping on the inside, you're going to see what's so loved about this spacious open floor plan. First, you got a televator on your left with an electric fireplace and a built-in soundbar. You have a kitchen island with all residential stainless steel appliances, and you also have a built-in desk for your computer. Features our website, rvroadway.com. Hint, hint. In the opposing living area slide out, you have a booth dinette that features storage underneath. And you also have a movie theater setup with storage above and reading lights above. You have a full stand-up shower in your bathroom with solid surface countertops and a medicine cabinet, and you also have additional storage for linen. And stepping into the bedroom, you're going to see we have a queen bed with so much storage for your clothes, and also have underneath bed storage as well. And this 2720IK Rockwood is located at RV Roadway in Calera, Alabama, and it's time for you and your family to take life on the road. Until next time, we'll see you then.